Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Good morning. How's everybody
Good
doing?
morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning. How's everybody doing?
Of course, everyone's doing great. They're looking at US30.
Yes, US30 is being nice to us today. Before this CPI news, that's going to be dropping here shortly. So I'm gonna go over gold, and I'm gonna go over US30 here. So let's get started here. So we have CPI news in about 40 minutes. I will not be holding this trade through news. I'm going to close it right before news. Don't know if you all want to do the same, but it's up to you. I just don't trade news. 9 out of 10 times it's not on my side. So I learned my lesson. I don't trade news. So even though I am anticipating Zoom chat, if you have background noise, please mute your mic, please. Even though I am anticipating for US30 to melt, I just don't. CPI is way too risky, too volatile to risk it. So I can't do that.
You're welcome, sweets.
Sorry? If you have background noise, guys, please mute yourself. Mute your mic, please. If we can get the likes up on the chat, that'd be great as well, please. On the YouTube chat, that'd be great. Yesterday was good. Yesterday was good. Yesterday was a good day. I can't complain. We caught these cells yesterday. No, was it this cell or these cells? These cells. We caught these cells from yesterday. US30 was lingering. US30 was lingering down here, and it was kind of, let's call it in a range, kind of just moving, sideways here. So I anticipated that we're going to get some sort of a pullback, maybe around either these highs or these highs, and we came up to these highs here, and right around this area here we pushed all the way up. And if I go down to the 5-minute here, right before I ended the YouTube session yesterday, we were able to catch entries right at the top, literally right at the top of this move, and catch this drop here. Price came back, retesting this area right here, and eventually started pushing up. And it moved quite a bit yesterday. I got off the live, what time, like 10-ish, 10:30. And look at how much US30 was moving since then. It moved a lot yesterday, which is pretty cool. So no issues there. So last night I gave my private group an analysis or a trade idea. I can't call it an analysis. I didn't do a full breakdown. I just gave this trade idea to them. And a lot of you guys woke up happy this morning because the trade went into profit. This is a great example of what I talked about the other day in reference to Asian session and not always getting the pullback that you like. So last night around 9:30ish is around the time I got home, and I jumped right on the charts to see what US30 was doing, and I saw US30 was here, this was my entry right around here. Okay, so we had created a bunch of highs. Let me go to the higher time frame. So let's look at the 30-minute for now. Okay, US30 did all this yesterday. So we pushed all the way up here. We made this high, and we came back retesting it. Beautiful retest, and then continued to make a higher high. Now, this higher high happened last night between Tokyo and London, and then it started dropping this morning inside London. So this area right here is where I entered, because even though price pushed up a little bit more coming into my zone that I had marked off here perfectly and then pushing right back out and continuing to melt, you don't know if that's going to happen. US30 could have easily did this last night, but it went up some more, came to the zone, and then came down. You don't always know if you're going to get that. Sometimes it's literally 50-50. 50-50 during Asian session. So you pretty much have to, you know, manage your risk and say, make a decision. Either you want to enter or you want to wait for it to come to your area. You just don't know if it's going to happen. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So last night it pulled back. The night before, I believe it did not. It continued dropping. Okay, so excellent trade. How many of you guys took this trade? Zoom chat, how many of you took this trade last night?
I did.
Could you say your name so I know who it is?
Devion Moore.
Devion. Okay, Devion, you took it. Are you still holding, or did you close already?
Nah, I took out at about 692, I believe.
On profit? Okay, nice. Very nice. Now, did you take the entry when I dropped the chart, or did you wait for a price to come back to the zone and then enter?
Well, that zone that you have marked up, I already had that marked up. So really, I took it right up at the top.
Nice. Nice. Wow, it's nice, nice. Very nice. Anybody else? Anybody else take it? Or were you all sleeping last night? I'm in the trade. I took it. I definitely took it. Sasha, don't be playing around. I'm in Crystal. Crystal missed it. Oh, okay. It's okay. I took it this morning. Okay. Okay. Cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So yeah, so for US30 today, I'm gonna say that we're going to come down. I see us coming down because there is quite a bit of liquidity sitting down here in this area here, and I see us coming down to grab it before either pushing up or just continuing to melt. So that's what I'm looking at on US30 for today. So the analysis is from last night, pretty much carries over into this morning. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing there. In reference to gold, gold is beautiful. I'm so happy to see gold behaving properly again, because I remember, I want to say it was October, November, December of last year, like the last quarter of the year, right around there, gold was doing a whole bunch of garbage. And lately, since the new year, she's been doing her thing. So this was the analysis that I gave on yesterday's live stream, carried over into today's. The breakdown is the same, nothing has really changed. Now with CPI coming out, let me look at the higher time frames here, because gold is just doing exactly what I thought it was going to do here. I feel like we're going to go bullish. I feel like gold is going to go bullish. US30 is going to go bearish. Well, hold on. Because on the 4-hour time frame on gold, the 4-hour structure is still holding bearish. Still holding bearish here. Even though above this major zone area at 2004, if we hold above this area, we're bullish. If we break below this area, then we're gonna drop. Now with CPI, you just don't know. That's the thing, you just don't know. Or I just don't know, you know? So, based on how the structure is moving here, my zones hold more weight to me than the individual candlestick structure. So based on the fib, based on what's holding this area here, I would say that the bullish momentum is going to take over soon, because we have 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 leg. Now we need a 4th leg. You know what I mean? So that's why the bullish bias is still there for me, but it all depends on whether or not we hold 2005 area. That's what I'm seeing. So let's see. Let's see what CPI holds for us in the next 25 minutes here. So if you took this gold setup, you are Gucci. You are Gucci, because price came right to my entry area and bounced right back out. Gold is about 100 points from my entry if I would have taken this trade. Obviously I don't trade gold anymore, but if I did, that's what it would have been. So gold hit all-time highs. I think it's going to drop. Yeah. You don't want to base your analysis just on that, because we hit all-time highs and we still kept going up from last year. So you don't want to base it just off that. So I mean, that's a good point, but you need a couple more confirmations to really back that up, you know. So just want to be careful with that. So I'm going to take profits here because I don't want to hold during news. I think that's the best idea here, is to close. Could have held it a little bit longer, but that's okay. I don't want to play with news today. So, CPI rug pull, yes, I'm telling you. CPI rug pull. So as to this, we just wait for news. We just wait on a little bit of news.
I was going to say, me and CPI definitely got beef for real.
I bet. I bet. CPI, I think there's a hit out for CPI from a lot of people. CPI, when it goes out, I better watch its back, because people are coming for it. It's taking a lot of souls. Not even money, it's taking a lot of souls trading. So, CPI, you better watch your back. CPI better watch your back. Even though I'm not in any of these setups, I'm not in US30 anymore, and I'm not in gold, it would put me on a cloud 9 high to see my analysis play out during news. So I'm going to keep an eye on gold to fly here, and I'm going to keep an eye on US30 to melt to the depths of hell. That's what I am hoping for. And if that happens, I'm going to be feeling myself. Just saying. Just saying. Just saying. So let's see, guys. Let's see. We got about another 20 minutes or so. I got a lot of feedback, I'll say. Got a lot of feedback yesterday in reference to the post I made about futures trading. Had some conversations with some people yesterday, and I gotta say, I am quite excited about taking on this new endeavor. I'm pretty excited because everything I'm hearing about it is good stuff, you know. No spreads is nice. Being able to execute right from TradingView is nice. Stateside regulated broker is nice. Depositing and withdrawing straight from my bank account is nice. I haven't heard too many things yet that is like giving me pause about it. I'm being told by many other experienced traders that it's because I trade indices, it's an easy transition. I think it'd be a little bit different if I traded currencies still, but because I trade US30 now, it's not bad at all. And the broker that I was recommended to trade on is Tradeovate. So I haven't opened an account yet. I will be today to try it out. I'm gonna open up a demo account and, you know, see what's up. I'm gonna download it on my phone. It was Tradeovate, and I believe Ninja something. So futures also comes with monthly fees, which kind of sucks. Well, I think, you know, you gotta take the good with the bad. Everything can't be 100% perfect. I mean, if going over to futures, all right, guys, this is how I'm thinking about it. Because lately, guys, you guys have heard me talk about it, right? The negativity and the toxicity that's in our niche. Now, that's in every niche. Every niche, there's, you know, drama. Every job that you have, there's drama. You know, it's like, you know, there's drama everywhere you go. But the drama is surrounded, it's basically consumed around this whole broker stuff. It's all about broker. It's never really anything else. Everything else comes and goes. But lately it's been about the whole broker stuff, right? And to be quite honest with you guys, I'm tired of it. I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to hear it. Like I said yesterday, we just want to trade. We just want to trade. And I'm hearing the futures market is heavily regulated, heavily watched. And I don't really hear, like, I mean, I'm new. I don't know enough yet. I still have to talk to some people and, you know, feel things out. But I don't hear much about, you know, manipulation and, you know, just a whole bunch of garbage going on with futures like you have with Forex, right? Like with manipulation, right? On here, TradingView, US30 price is 37742. If I'm using Tradeovate and I'm looking to go execute on US30, I can execute price where it is here on TradingView. So I don't have to worry about a spread. I don't have to worry about, you know, my broker pushing price or doing something weird or whatever on their end. I know that what I see here is what I'm going to get with that, with them, you know. Ninja Trader owns Tradeovate. Okay. So I know I'm what I see is what I get, and I like that. So, and then most And then here's the biggest thing that I like the most, right? Because with Forex, there's like so many brokers. There's so many. You have all these random brokers out here, right? What I'm hearing, majority of futures traders are either on TraderVate or Ninja. TraderVate or Ninja. Everybody is right there. So there's no talk of, hey, who's your broker? Hey, who's your broker? Hey, who's your broker? That's like a breath of fresh air. That's like a breath of fresh air. Because I know I'm not going to hear that noise. That noise is not going to come for it. You know, not that I care. I really don't. All the noise lately, the garbage that's been going on online, the ridiculousness, I don't care. This year, like I said, no one's taking my piece. So if I know I could just trade, like, what? Tell me more. You know? So for the next few weeks here, for the rest of this month and next month, I will be dedicating a lot of my time to understanding everything about futures. I'm gonna put my head down and go to work. Whenever I put my mind to something, it's a done deal. I'm getting it done. And pretty soon, guys, I'm not even gonna say may, you will see me trading futures. You will see me trading futures. Now, does that mean I'm tossing everything else to the side? We'll see. I don't want to say that right now because I don't know what the future holds, but I don't want to be stressed out with my trading, and lately it's been stressful. I literally like wake up every day wondering what's gonna happen today. What news is gonna come out today with us? What now? You know, who the heck wants to live like that? Who wants to live like that, not knowing what tomorrow holds every day? It's ridiculous. So Charlene is looking for peace of mind this year, and it looks like slowly but surely we're gonna get it. So I'm looking up. Things are looking up, guys. It's a funny thing, you know, when you're positive about things just have a way of working themselves out. Not maybe in the way that you would have liked, but sometimes things in the moment might seem like, I'm not really feeling this, but in the end, it all works out. It all works out. With futures, there is no manipulation and everyone has the same price across the board. I love that. I love that. That means when I'm on here trading live with you guys, trading futures live with you guys, we're all getting the same exact entry. We're all getting the same entry. We're all like, the point is for us to all elevate together. Elevate together. So, what are the TraderVate leverages, Marcus? I don't know. I would implore you to go look that up yourself on the website. Yes, we only want to trade. Exactly. We only want to trade. We only want to trade. I started off trading futures in 2020, but switched to Forex because there was more technical analysis content on YouTube. Oh, okay. I was doing Forex for about a year and tried futures for 2 months, and man, I'm like, I've been missing out on a peace of mind. Wow. Trading Forex for a year, traded futures for 2 months, and it made a world of difference. Ain't that crazy? That is wild. That's wild. Charlene, you will love TraderVate. I think hey, listen. I'm a little mad at y'all, yeah. Some of y'all, you know, some of y'all ain't put me on game. That's okay. Some of y'all tried to. The ones I tried, you guys get your cookies. But some of y'all been keeping this whole futures thing a secret. And there's another big time trader you guys know about. I'm sure all of you know that actually trades futures. I don't know if he has put it out there, but I believe he does. And it's like things are transitioning over. Things are transitioning over. Now, those of you that only trade Forex currencies, I'm hearing that the way you trade it may not translate over to futures. But if you trade NAS, if you trade US30, if you trade S&P, if you trade those pairs, oil, they said it's a smooth transition on over to futures. Smooth. So I'm for it. I'm here for it. I am here for it, guys. Your girl is here for it. So I love how you adopt and pivot to always grow and be better. Take us with you on this journey. We're ready. Yes, yes, yes. I trade both. YM is the equivalent to US30. That's what I was told last night. Yes. Yes. I was talking to someone last night and he was giving me the rundown. So Thinkorswim is best. It gives you free on demand. Thinkorswim. I'll think about that. I'll think about it. So far, the consensus from everyone I've talked to is Tradeovate. That's the consensus. And someone told me that, bro, the prop industry over there, it puts the Forex prop industry to shame with the prices. I heard it's like $50 a month, I think, for a prop account. And then like their stipulations are different. And your payouts are, I mean, you could pay like $50 a month. It's a monthly fee, I think you pay until you hit your target. And then after that, you get payouts. I'm like, what? What? Say less. Now, I don't plan on using a prop for futures. I'm just a live trader. I've always been, I came from the live era and I just don't care for prop accounts. I like 100% of my money instead of giving a percentage away. I work hard for my money, so I want all of it. I'm just greedy like that when it comes to that. So I'm not about to make these prop companies rich. But for those of you that don't have the funds, you don't need to give a prop company $500 for a 100K account. You can pay $50, $100, whatever it is. You hit your profit target, and now you're getting payouts. That's a no-brainer. Yeah, Top Step. Top Step is the one. Top Step. Top Step, $150 a month, $50 for a reset if you fail. $150? That's it? Guys, I feel like the Forex niche is like IML. And futures are like real traders. And we're about to kick Forex in the butt. Like we're about to put them boys out of business. That's how I feel right now. Lamborghini trades futures. He does. That's what I'm hearing now. That's what I'm hearing. Adapt and adjust. And listen, what did we say 2024 is about yesterday? What was the one word I said 2024 is about? Who can tell me what I said? The one thing about 2024 is about this year is what? Is what? Clarity Forex funded broker is better. Trust. I would not trust about anything from that guy. Is about this year is what? Mute your mics, guys, please. Yes, Victor. Victor was listening yesterday. It is about growth. It is about growth. Growth is everything. Everything. Anything around that guy, young official trader, nah, I'm good. I'm good on that guy. I'm good on that guy. Real traders know who real traders are. All right, guys? Just so you guys know, okay? Real traders know who real traders are. I ain't gonna badmouth anybody on my live, but that name, hell no. Hell no. I would not trust that guy with as far as I can see him. Hell no. Anyway, growth. All about growth, guys. So I'm seeing good things. I'm seeing good things. I'm seeing good things. Look at gold go. Gold is like, I'm not gonna wait for CPI. I'm not waiting for 830. I'm just gonna take off from where I am right now. I'm not gonna wait. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please. I just want to, please make me look good on this live, yo. CPI, don't embarrass me on this live and make me wrong in front of all these people. Please just fly up. In the next 5 minutes, I need to see you fly up. Fly, fly, fly. Just push. Come all the way up and smack what TP? That TP. All the way up there. 27 right there. That's what, look at that. Right here. 27. Smack these highs right here. Whoosh. Now, if we get this area, that's a good thing. But if we go all the way up, oh my God, look at, who's in gold right now? I know y'all some savages. Who's in gold? Who is in gold right before CPI? Where my savages at? Can a new trader switch to futures? I think new traders have a great like chance, because you're not into all the Forex stuff. You're not into all that Forex stuff, so you're kind of fresh, so you can learn fresh on that side and not have to like relearn other stuff again. You know what I'm saying? Those of us that have been in Forex, we have to kind of adjust a little bit to that. But I think you're in a good position if you're new. If you're new. How can I join your private group? I will open up applications next week. I believe Top Step also charges you a one-time processing fee of $150 when you set up. It's still a small amount. That's still nothing. That's still nothing. Still nothing. Growth, growth, growth. Yes, 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 yes. Futures sounding like the Dubai of trading. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell y'all, listen. It's like futures is putting Forex to shame right now. And it's all because of this broker garbage. It really is. You know? So, young official trader, it's not about that at all. Let's stop getting emotional about my comment. It's not that serious. It's not that deep, buddy. It's not that deep. That's all. You posted the person and I said this is how I feel about it. That's all. It's not that deep. You don't got to go into some whole rant. I've felt this way about him since day one. It's not about somebody posting a video about him at all. I'm not easily influenced like that. I don't listen to one thing someone says and, oh my God, this person is horrible. They're this, they're that, off of one person's video. That's stupid. Chill out, my guy. It's not that serious. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. Chill out. It's Thursday morning. It's a beautiful day. We talking about growth. We talking about positivity. We talking about making money. We're talking about elevation. We're talking about positivity. We're not getting deep into some garbage like that. Come on, my guy. Let's do better today. Let's do better. People, y'all be getting too emotional about things. Just because someone doesn't like somebody you like, who cares? You like them. Who cares what somebody else thinks? Who cares what I think? You like him. You like him. You trust his stuff. That's all that matters. What I think of him should not matter to you one iota. So let's keep it pushing. All right? Let's keep it pushing. Seriously, it's not that deep. Anyway, I will not trade my own 100K account. I'd rather buy 200K funded. That's 20 million in funded. Everyone thinks like that. You got to be able to trade it though, make that money. I'd rather buy 200, 100K funded. Okay. Jeez. People be getting in their feelings when you talk about somebody they like. It's like, oh my God, relax. Relax. Sheesh. It's like when ESPN or Shade Room, because I'm a big like LeBron like basher, you know. I respect him, but I hate some of the stuff he does. So whenever they post stuff about him, I'll like comment on it. And y'all should see all the LeBron police DICK riders coming out. And it's like they're like attacking you like they know LeBron personally. Like they're like, LeBron's my cousin. You better stop talking about him like that. Like they come at you like they really know this guy. You know, that never made sense to me. Never made sense to me. I would never act like that. I'm sorry. I would never act like that. I better know the person personally, and you better be like killing that person's character for me to try to like defend them the way these people are. You know what I'm saying? So It's ridiculous. People need to grow up. People need to grow up, guys. There's more to life. There's more important things in life you could be more passionate about. Oh, here we go. 8:30. Ah, don't do that to me, gold. Come on. Get yourself up here. Or unless you're going to go down, wake out and then go back up. We could do that too. What's US30 doing? Yeah, look at her go. Look at her go. Come on, come on, come on. Come all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. What type of CPI is this? CPI is usually, we don't wait this long for a move. What type of CPI is this? Telling y'all, when these market conditions be changing up, it's switching up on us. Telling y'all. It's different. It's different. This is the most garbage CPI I've ever seen in my life. Guys, this is the first time I've seen CPI act like this. This is the first time I've seen CPI act like this. CPI is usually whoosh, 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 whoosh. Like, you don't see it. CPI is 2.3 seconds. It's moved 1,000 pips that way, 1,000 pips that way, 700 pips pullback, 800 pips drop. Like, this is wild. Yes, 30 is moving, but gold. Wow. What kind of CPI is this? Are y'all seeing this? Maybe it's the first one of the year. Maybe it needs time to, you know, settle down. Wow. Well, the numbers aren't that far apart. The forecasted numbers and the actual numbers are not that far apart. Wow. Forecast, actual number, same thing. Wow. Maybe that's why, because the numbers are not that far apart. Maybe that's what it is. Wow. Come on, gold. Well, it hasn't broken. It didn't melt and completely keep going. It hasn't melted, so we could still be bullish here on gold. It could be just making a pullback for gold to continue up. You couldn't even blink during the old CPI. Yeah, you couldn't. You couldn't. People were on the edge of their seats on CPI. People were sitting like this, watching the charts, like white-knuckled, watching CPI. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. That's crazy. Never thought I'd see the day. Never thought I'd see the day. I have a serious problem holding the trades. It takes time. It's all about psychology. That's all. It's all about psychology. It's all about psychology. Can we get the likes up, guys? 600 watching, 191 likes. Wow, guys, I'm in shock. I'm in utter disbelief with this CPI. So yeah, guys, I will be opening a Trade08 account. I'm gonna do Ninja too. I'm gonna try both because sometimes, you know, you want to try different things to see what works best for you. So everyone's telling me that Trade08 is the way to go, but I'm gonna try Ninja as well, and I'm gonna open up a Thinkorswim account as well. I'm gonna do all three and see, hey, which of these fits me best. You know what I mean? Kind of like the advice I give you guys on finding a Forex broker. Try different brokers to see what you like. You know what I mean? Try different brokers. So try different things. Just because everyone says, hey, everybody come on over here. You never know. Maybe you might like it over there. You know? Same with the Beehive with Beyonce. Yeah, people get into their idols and they like, you know, you better not say anything bad about this person. Otherwise, I'm gonna come for you. I mean, I've never met this celebrity a day in my life. I probably never ever will, but you better not talk about them. because this person matters to me. You know what I mean? It's like them giving birthday shout outs to celebrities, but they don't give their friends and family and cousins and people they actually know in real life birthday shout outs. I think that's wild to me. That is wild to me. You will never see me dedicate an entire Instagram post or story to some celebrity saying happy birthday to them. I don't even know that person. You kidding me? If you do that, you better be telling your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your best friend, your second cousin happy birthday too. Because that's wild to me. After years of trading, do you see the same price patterns again and again? I think that, yes. Hi, hey, what's up, Charlie? What's up? How would you utilize unemployment claims? Also love your character. I hope you do podcasts soon. They'll be so entertaining. Yeah, I guess asked that question a lot, but I don't see myself doing a podcast. But how do I utilize unemployment claims? I don't, because I'm not a fundamental trader. I am a technical analysis trader, so I don't trade news because I don't know how to read fundamental analysis. And that's that. So, TradeOvate is decent, but when you use it with TradingView, it doesn't allow you to adjust your current open orders. It doesn't? TradeOvate is decent, but when you use it with TradingView, it doesn't allow you to adjust your current open orders as far as stop loss and take profit. That's not good. Why not? So where do you adjust it then? How do you adjust it? You can't, once you open it, you can't adjust it? Like you have to put in your stop loss and TP when you take the trade? Whoever uses TradeOvate, can you guys elaborate on that, please? I mean, I'm going to look it up myself, but if anybody, I mean, since someone asked it in the chat, we can talk about it. Please answer me, Charlene. This is the third time asking, how do I join the group? You need to apply when I drop the link on my Instagram account. And if you, is it in the description box? It should be in the description box. Apply, No, it's not there. Okay. When I go to my Instagram, which you see right at the bottom of the screen there, right at the bottom here, follow, and when I drop the open dates on my Instagram link, you can apply there. If you're not on Instagram, then wait for the link to drop on YouTube, on one of my YouTube live videos. So just keep your ears to the ground and you'll find out. After years of trading, do you see the same? Oh, I already read that question. I like your way of thinking about life, keeping it real. I'm just like you. Yes, 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 Sonia. Yes. The older you get, the wiser you get. You know, when you have life experience, when you know better, you do better. Somebody needs to mute their mic in the Zoom, please. Everybody hit the mute button. That's not good. That's false. You can adjust. Okay, so people are saying that's false. You can adjust while making a trade. So you can adjust. So, okay, so apparently you can. Or I'll find out. I'll find out. Let's see. I'll find out and we'll see. But I was gonna say that's crazy. How come you can't? What platform doesn't let you adjust your TP and your stop loss? What do they want you to do? Blow your account? Why wouldn't they let you adjust it? That's nuts. And if that was the case, that's a problem. I mean, I'm still gonna be a scalper. I'm not changing my trading style if when I go over the futures, but at the same time, sometimes I need to put a stop loss. So what's going on here? It allows you to do everything. I use TradeOvate. Whoever said it is a spammer. Okay. All right. So that's a couple people that said you can. So the person that said that, I suggest you find out how to do it. I think you just don't know how to do it because people are saying you can. Don't be spreading false information. You can definitely adjust it. Yeah, that's okay. TradeStation with TradingView allows you to adjust the order brackets, but with TradeOvate, for some reason, you can't adjust unless you set it when you first open the orders. What exactly is TradeStation? Is that another broker? Is TradeStation another broker? You have to use limit orders to create a stop loss MTP, and you can adjust it after. So when you right click on the position, it allows you to adjust. Ooh, y'all are going in on each other in this chat. All right, I'm just gonna sit back and watch the show because I don't know any of these answers to these questions. Y'all be nice to each other in the chat, guys. You log into TradingView using your TraderVate credentials and you can adjust. I do it every day. LOL. TradeStation is another broker. Okay, so I use TradeStation for futures. Okay. To write some of this stuff down so I can research later. Okay, so TraderVate, Ninja, TradeStation. Y'all just be dropping these new brokers like I'm supposed to know these are brokers. TradeStation, Think or Swim. All right, TraderVate, Ninja, TradeStation, Think or Swim. Am I missing any others? Am I missing any others? TraderVate is larger in the futures industry and the community. That's probably the one. I think it's going to be between TraderVate and Ninja. Those are the two that keep popping up. Hi Charlene, I'm here for futures. I'm here for a Charlene futures course. I told my boyfriend months ago I wanted to switch when all this started happening. Oh wow. See, you were ahead of everybody. You were ahead of everybody. I'm just learning about futures. So I'm not even thinking about dropping a course on that yet at all right now. I'm so new with it. I'm not even thinking about that. I may not even drop a course, honestly. I may not drop a course because I'm hearing it's a lot like, you know, already what I'm doing. You know what I mean? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But turning this whole thing and making a course out of it now, I just want to trade right now. I just want to trade. I just want to trade. All right. I am new to trading. Can the big institutions see your position and then hunt your stop loss? You're new to trading, and that's the kind of questions you're asking. So that's a problem. That's a problem right there. You're obviously getting the wrong information from wherever you're looking at. If you're new to trading, you should be focused on trading, on learning how to read charts, not conspiracy theories about institutions hunting stop losses. You are setting yourself up for failure before you're even out the gate. So I wouldn't ask stuff like that right now. You need to just focus on learning how to trade. All of that stuff doesn't matter if you can't trade. You need to know how to trade first. Then you can worry about all that other stuff. So TradeStation is strictly for futures, no Forex. TraderVate and TradingView is the way to go. That's where I want to go right there. That's what I want to go. If I could trade right off TradingView, listen. What? That's it. That's it. And I'm talking to someone right now who's doing a great job of convincing me to potentially go over to trading oil as well. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I really like just focusing on one instrument, which is US30. It's for me to go learn another instrument now, which is oil. I don't know. I really like US30. I like US30. US30 is taking care of me right now. US30 is doing the damn thing. So I don't think I'm gonna be going anywhere else. But we'll see. What's happening with US30? Is it hungover? No. US30 is gonna melt here shortly. US30 is doing this thing. US30 is probably going to move at 9:30. It's 8:45. She's probably gonna push up a little more here. Probably do a little something like this. Something like that. It's gold that's on something right now. It's gold that's on one right now. Gold needs to just fly, which is what I thought it was gonna do, but yeah. Futures is the same thing like Forex. The only thing you can't trade with futures is currency pairs. That's it. Okay. Top steps is cool. Americans trading Forex is crazy. It's not crazy at all. It's made up people a lot of money. It's not crazy at all. I traded Forex and look where it got me. What are you talking about? Guys, when I go over to futures, I'm not going to be down talking Forex. Guys, you can't forget where you came from when you go somewhere else. When you level up, it's fine. But don't start talking mess about other stuff that helps you get to where you are. You know what I mean? That's why all this broker stuff was upsetting me when people started talking about, oh, regulated. Because before regulation was a thing, all of y'all buttheads were using unregulated brokers. You all were still flashing Lambos and flashy lifestyles using unregulated brokers. And as soon as regulated came out and you started pushing a regulated broker, suddenly unregulated is the worst thing ever. What? That's what upset me the most about it. It was like, bro, you were using unregulated all these years. You were getting paid out. You were trading. You were doing just fine. So suddenly unregulated is a problem for you? It wasn't a problem for you when you went and bought that Lambo. It wasn't a problem when you were flashing your lifestyle online. So why is it a problem now? Stop it. You don't elevate, get somewhere, and then you start shitting on the people that were below you, or the things that got you to where you are now. Come on, y'all. Don't be that kind of person. Don't be that kind of person. Don't be like that. Shout out from the Philippines. Let's go. To trade off TradingView, you need a connected broker. You can't use any broker, but it's great to do analysis and plan your trades. That's the plan. That's the plan. Also, futures provides indices and oil and gold and nano Bitcoin. Nano Bitcoin? What's that? I'm learning all this stuff today, guys. Y'all are giving it to me today. First, you learn to walk with Forex and you run with indexes. Facts. I would love to see US30 pull back to give me another entry opportunity, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think it came with the news candle, and she's probably going to continue to drop here. Maybe a little later on in the day. Or maybe 930 will get it. Maybe 930 will get something, another pullback. I'll DM you on Instagram. Oh my God. I'm getting so many DMs about this future stuff. It's like you guys were waiting for me to come over to futures. Y'all were just like on pins and needles, like biting your nails, like, yes, she's finally coming over. She's finally coming over. I finally took a sip of that tea. You know, when you know better, you do better. That's all. Nano Bitcoin is a low barrier entry to trade Bitcoin. So you can trade Bitcoin without the huge margin requirements. Okay. Thank you for that. I trade US30 on Tradeovate only. Yeah, so let me see. They said that, let's look at it here. Let's go to TradingView on here, the web version. Charts. Watch list. And futures. So ES, NQ, CL crude oil, gold, and then YM. I'm told that YM is the Dow, but it says mini Dow. Where's the regular Dow? Which one is that one? Or is that the right one? Is that it? I'm gonna look at all of them here. This one, this one. Which one is US30, guys? Is it the YM? Because it says mini, so. YM. Okay, so it's that one. All right, so right now, US30 price is 37600. 378. So can you guys explain the pricing difference to me? How come the prices are different? I know it's a whole different instrument, but not instrument, but can you guys explain that to me real quick? Because US30, I mean, they look identical. Boom, boom. Same thing. Literally, exact same thing. Look at this. I love it. I love it. Heaven on earth. It's just the pricing that's different, which is not a problem for me. I guess it's not a big deal. Charlene, I think personally, if you're doing your thing with US30, then you don't need to follow the crowd. If it works for you, then that's fine. Only switch if it's necessary for you. Correct, correct. I'll always do what's best for me. I don't just take what someone tells me and runs with it. Nah, I'll always do what's best for me. Charlene, you should really start a podcast. As one viewer mentioned earlier, all love, all the way from South Africa. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure that the one you're using is 2024 for March. What, the chart? I mean, I can only use what's on here, so how do I know? How do I know it's the right one? Futures is real time and everyone sees the exact same data. Cool. The difference is because you don't have real time date. Okay, now y'all are confusing me. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll take this phone call. Hello, what's up? Yes, ma'am. What's up? Okay. ES equals $5 per point. I will need somebody to, you know what? I have some friends that trade futures. I'm going to talk to them about all of that. Understanding, because I believe they said futures is, goes by points. It doesn't go by pips, which I'm fine with because I trade US30. US30 is by points. The only thing is I need someone to explain to me the whole risk parameter thingy, you know, because with Forex, you have a certain amount of risk that you could put on your account. based on your account balance and all that, like lot sizes. I believe you don't have that in futures. They said it's called contracts. So I'm like, okay, cool, contracts. But how exactly is that explained? You know? So I'm gonna be learning, guys. I'm gonna be learning. Give me a little bit of time, and I'm gonna, educate myself on that, so we could get to the money. All right. So that's what that is. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I need to go turn my heat off. It is freaking a sauna in here right now. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry guys. It's hot in here because it's cold outside. It's like 60-something degrees outside here in South Florida. So I was freezing this morning, so I had to turn my heater on. But I guess I put it on too high because it started getting really toasty in here. Thank God I don't have too much to do outside today, so I can pretty much stay home and get some work done. Okay, so let me see. Let's see. I won't understand the whole lingo over the chat, guys. It won't click with me. I need to sit down on a computer and I'm a visual learner, so I need you to show it to me on the chart. Show me how all this, make it make sense to me so I can see, instead of
Charlene,
point it out. Yes. Who's
I
this?
just dropped a video in the chat, so I learned how to. It was kind of simple.
Oh,
it's
okay.
really like trading stocks almost, but you putting in contracts and all that. But I learned it. I got an understanding of it in 5 minutes, so I'm pretty sure you would get it kind of fast.
You said you put in. Oh, here it is, right here. Yes. Okay. Yes, I will watch this video after the live today. Thank you so much. Right, so that video explains the contracts and
he get right to the point.
Okay. All right. Perfect. Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it. Yes. Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna spend pretty much the entire day today looking up how to do this stuff. So yes. All I have to say is, if you want your capital safe and secure and you like trading indices, start trading futures. Yes. What do you think about being bullish on GJ? Let's skip that question. Your contracts are the size of assets you buy. You buy contracts of different sizes depending on the type of instrument. Yeah, that part I understand, but I just need someone to explain it to me in a little bit more understandable to me, basically, if that makes sense. Guys, I'm a reread when it comes to stuff like this. I need to sit down and really look into what I'm doing before I fully understand it. So that's all. You guys know how long it took me to learn about lot sizes and support and resistance and all that with trading? Guys, your girl was a straight up dummy when it came to all that stuff, okay? It took me a while to understand it. So, Not saying I'm going to have the same thing here because I already know about the Forex side. All I got to do is transfer that over. But once I learn the terminology and how it correlates to what I'm doing, then, you know, I'll be better. What I'm getting out of it is YM and US are the same. Well, yeah, that's the easy part. I knew that, you know. So, new in here, appreciate your stream from Ireland. Thank you, Crypto Fergie. I like your handle, Crypto Fergie. Cool, make sure you drop a like. 669 watching, 303 likes. Thank you for those of you that dropped the likes. Come on, US30, pull up here. Give me a pullback so I can get in here for another sell. Don't just melt, don't just drop, come on. Because you tricked us out of some money here. You made us think that, wait a minute. See, how come this US30 chart is here, but is it a different time frame? Oh, different time frame. I'm about to say, why is it different? Okay. So guys, I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for the market to do this and then that. I would never take a sell down here, even though I think it's going to continue to drop. I need US30 to pull back for me. This would have been a great entry. Excellent pullback here to take it. It's a sale, but that was the news candle. So, sucks. What's gold doing? Gold is playing hanky-panky right now after CPI, which means it's doing nothing. Copy and paste the link, please. Oh, you guys want the link that was dropped inside my private chat group? Should I drop it private chat? Should I give it to the group? What do you guys think? I'm just joking. Yeah, I'm gonna drop it. Give me 1 second here. Copy and paste. There you go. I want to watch it on the live right now, but I just don't want it to get copyrighted. I don't know if there's copyright stuff with that. I don't want this video to get striped. Playing somebody else's content. I don't know, we'll see. Futures trading is not so different than Forex. Example, I trade Euro futures which moves just like EU. Oh, nice. Very nice. So my EU traders, we got some similarities here. The best part about futures is the spread. It's almost non-existent. Well, I don't like that. What do you mean almost non-existent? I heard there were no spreads. Somebody clarify that. Is it almost no spreads or no spreads at all? Because I'm hearing there's no spreads at all. Geez, I got work to do. So much different information. One person's saying this person's saying that. You can't adjust your TP or stop loss. You can't adjust it. There's spreads. There's almost no spreads. What's with all this back and forth information, y'all? I thought it was all the same stuff. All y'all using the same platform, so how come there's different information? It's like all of us are using MT4, but one person is saying you can adjust your stop loss, the other person is saying you can't. All of us are using the same platform, so why are we having different information?
The guy on the video said it's no spreads. You get in at the exact price that's there. Okay. And he teach you how to put stop losses and limits and all that in.
What platform is he showing us how to do that on?
The platform that you
Tradeovate?
The Tradeovate you had up there. Yeah. What was that called?
Yeah, Tradeovate. Is it that one?
It's that one. Yeah. That's
okay.
The exact one.
Perfect.
All right.
All right. Cool. Thank you. Oh boy. I know it was a while back on a video you said that to find better probability, trade one pair, one session. Do you still recommend that? Absolutely. You guys see me trade US30 and I trade it mostly New York. I trade Asian on occasion, but New York is my main session. US30 is my main pair. That's it. One pair, one session, one trade. That's all you need. One pair, one session, one trade. Say it with me. One pair, one session, one trade per day. That's it. There are no spreads. No spreads. All right. All right. All right. No spreads, guys. All right. Gotcha. Sweet Daddy Lindo. Sweet Daddy Lindo, bro. Your name sounds like a pimp name. Is this a joke? No offense. I'll just say Sweet Daddy. But you sound like a pimp. That's funny. Sweet Daddy. Come here, Sweet Daddy. Come here, Pimp Daddy, Sweet Daddy. That's funny. Oh, you picked that as your handle on YouTube. Sweet Daddy Lindo. That must be a nickname you got. So who gave you that nickname? Who gave you that nickname? Sweet Daddy. Come here, Sweet Daddy. Give me some loving. Give me some sugar, Sweet Daddy. Just having a little fun, guys. That's all. Just having a little fun. Sweet Daddy, I am not trolling you. I am not making fun of you. I'm just having fun with your name. That's all. It's all in fun. Please don't get mad. Don't get offended. All that. I took my name from Good Times. Sweet Daddy Williams. What a classic. I love it. He's related to a pimp named Slickback. Y'all are funny. Pimp named Slickback. You know that's your friend. Stop it. You know y'all know each other. That's hilarious. Sweet Daddy. Sweet Daddy. I'm gonna use that. What would you need to see on US30 for buys to play out? I would need to see this major zone get broken and retested. That's what I would see for buys. Long-term buys. Short-term buys, I wouldn't recommend that right now. Sweet Daddy Williams was a smooth ass dude. Yeah? Yes, sir. He sure was. I like that. I like that. Some of y'all got some cool names. Funny, 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 funny. Why would you want buys? For real. We over here looking at ourselves. What do you want to see for buys? Like, it's always one person that wants to go against the grain. That's okay, though. That's okay. You don't want to be a person that's just sheep, that just follows the crowd. You want to stand out. You want to ask questions, you know? You don't want to be someone that's just, oh, everybody's looking for sells. Why I got to look for sells? No, I want to look for buys. That's what it is. So you need that in this life. You know what I mean? You need that. All right. Am I getting hot flashes or something? Because now it's kind of getting chilly in here. What? I can't with this AC system, man. I can't. I want those old system ACs back. You know, the one where you just slide it? You know, when I used to live in New York, we had the AC where you would just slide it to the temperature you wanted it to, and then that's what it went to. Now you got these damn electronic ones, and you're pushing buttons, and it's telling you what it wants to do, and now it's cold in here again. God darn it. I can't. It's crazy. I don't even feel like getting up to go back over there and mess with this thing. I'm about to rip it off the wall. Sheesh. 73 is a perfect temp. I actually keep my house on 74. That's what I keep it on. But because it's 60 degrees outside right now, I'm like, yeah, it's cold. It is cold. I'll be right back, guys. Damn, it's cold in here. What the hell? All right. Sweet Daddy. Come on over here, Sweet Daddy. Give me some loving. Give me some sugar. Give me some sucky. Sweet Daddy. Gold making me look bad here today, gold. What platforms are good for trading on your phone? That's a good question. Are you talking about Forex or are you talking about futures? Can you have Tradeovate on your phone as an app, guys? You know what? Nah, let me stop asking these questions. Nope, don't answer that. I will look it up myself. I will look that up myself. Don't answer that question. Y'all know how I get on these live sessions. Come on, guys. Nothing changed. Still me. Nothing changed, guys. It's still me. Give me some sucky sucky for $5. Yeah. Do something strange for a little bit of change, right? Oh, hilarious. You're the best female trader I know, Charlie. Thank you. Yeah, you guys aren't used to this side of me, are you? Y'all better get used to it. You better recognize. Just gotta have fun, guys. This is boring. Trading is boring, man. I'm so ready to go like lay down in my bed and watch some Netflix or something. I mean, I'm not gonna do that. I got work to do with this whole future stuff, but that's what I feel like doing right now. Watching these candles print, aka watching paint dry. I'm not with it today. Not with it. I'm just waiting for 9:30 to kick off here. Give me a 9:30 pullback. Let me take another sell. Get in and get out and go on about my life. That's all I want right now. Hey, I'm from India. Hey. You can use TradingView for both Forex and futures charting. Yes, you can. It's snowing here in Detroit. Ouch. Ouch. Watch Don't Be a Menace last night. Always a classic. Yeah. I'm telling you. Sweet Daddy. I know he was messing with Dashiki. You already know he was messing with Dashiki. Dashiki had the whole hood. Dashiki, listen. Dashiki was on one. So I know Sweet Daddy had a little taste of that. $5 can barely buy McDonald's nowadays. You better up them sucky prices. Hey, listen. In that line of work, $5 might get you far these days. It might get you far. Like, hey, inflation, all right? Inflation. Girl, bye with your inflation. US30 is not going down anymore. Okay, cool. We'll see. We will see. Can we get the likes up, guys? Y'all are making me feel like my jokes are falling flat here with these low likes. I don't hurt my feelings like that. Here's that pullback. Are we getting that pullback? So I'm guessing at 9:30 we're gonna see a move here, because we're getting our pullback. It's coming. She is setting herself up here, honey. Let me go to the 30-minute and see, because I don't think we're gonna come all the way up to these highs. I don't even want us to come to those highs. I want us to pull back right around where it is now, right around that area there. Right where price is right now, right at these highs. Right around these highs here. Right around those highs. Come on, US30. Give me a little sucky sucky. Give me a little sucky sucky today. Let me see something real quick. Yeah. Yep. Right around those highs. Perfect. Eyeballed it perfectly. Yes, sir. Yes, sirree. 9:15. So another 15 minutes market open. We should get something here. So what I'm looking to see here is something like that. That's what I want to see.
Point of sale system helps you sell in person at every stage of your
Fucking YouTube. Get on my goddamn nerve. Look real good today. I look real good today. This music is so zen. Loving the zen vibes. Loving the zen vibes. So it came down to this support and we rejected. We need to come down to maybe this area here. This area here and then down there. Yes, give me that beautiful pullback. Jazzy Jazz, Kabod TV. Yes, we all have the same analysis here. 50% pullback. Yes, sir. Loving, 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 loving. And I feel like I'm gonna enter before 9:30. I feel like, because I feel like at 9:30 that's when the move is gonna overall play out. That's what I feel like. That's what I feel like. Oh. Zoom chat, look at the chat box, please. I don't know what's been up with gold lately. I mean, it's moving, but it's not moving. It's like it's moving, but it's not. Hey. She's holding support though. She's holding support.
Hey, Charlene, are we in this trade right now?
Yes, look at the chat.
Got you.
Yes.
Hi, Charlene. Good morning.
Morning.
I just wanted to ask, did you ever withdraw from the Ventura brokers?
Not yet.
And how was that?
Not yet. No, I just started using it. Not yet.
Oh, same here. So I wanted to see if you had any experience. But I do like the support bot, like the support.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like, their support is very effective in a way.
Okay.
But I'm yet to see how the withdrawal, phase goes. But if in case I get to do that for you, I'll let you know.
Thank you. I will be making a withdrawal this week.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, I'll be making a withdrawal this week. I was told that the withdrawal is supposed to be better than Henko were. They're saying that they process them every 6 to 12 hours on a first come first serve basis. So that's what I'm looking at right now, or that's what I was told.
Oh, perfect.
So I'm
Thank
thinking,
you.
all right, first at 6 to 12 hours. So let's see if that's what it is.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate your input on that.
Sorry.
I appreciate your input on that.
Yeah,
sure.
Of course. Ooh, some bills to pay here. Set up them reminders, guys. Pay your bills late. Who could tell me, whenever if you're taking a buy position and you're in the trade, and the candle opens up, which way would you prefer to see the candle go, up or down first? And this is not a trick question. This is for the Zoom chat or the YouTube chat.
Down.
Down?
Yeah, check it out. Go down first, then pop it, and it'll probably go back up. You want to see that wick?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Mhm.
Perfect. Guys, ever make a payment on something and take a screenshot just because, even though you know they're going to send you a confirmation email? Creating wick, US30 playing too many games. Pull back, you want to see it go down first. Very good. Very good. Christian keeps on spamming the chat, so guess what? I'm going to put you on timeout, buddy. US30 with a deep pullback here. Ouch. That's okay. What's the high time frame saying? A little bit of drawdown never hurt nobody. Let's go to 4 hour. I hope this resistance holds. I hope this resistance holds. But we are, oh wow. We're 1 hour into this 4 hour candle and this thing is pumping up, which means it could be creating the top half of the candle. If we reject and we come back down, this is definitely gonna come down. This is gonna come down. Oh yeah, I'm holding this move. I'm gonna hold. If this resistance holds, we should be good. If it breaks, then game over. But if not, and this thing starts rejecting and starts breaking lows and coming down, it's over. I'm not even gonna hold because if it's the top half. So this means this trade is gonna take a while. But the way US30 moved yesterday, it moved a lot yesterday. Hopefully it does that today too, because CPI was a dud. CPI was a straight dud today. So hopefully we get that same movement it was doing yesterday. Give me a little bit more today. I'll take that. I'll take that. I will take that. What's gold doing? Is gold still taking a nap? Yep. 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 Gosh, listen, if I was in gold buys, I would be so frustrated right now. I would be so frustrated. I would be so frustrated. Where's that guy that said buys was a bad idea? Buys is a bad idea because overall structure is bearish right now. Until we break this resistance, US30 is still bouncing off these highs. Every time US30 came here, it pushed, push, 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 push. So the market wasn't making any new highs, but it was making lower lows. Because of this, you kind of have to continue looking for sells. Now we have structure here. The only thing that turns this off is this here. Price broke structure here. Broke structure, retested, and now it's pushing up. It made this leg here. It could turn around and make a higher high, but we have yet to break this resistance. If we keep holding this resistance, more than likely we're going to continue rejecting and continue pumping down. So yeah, it's not just about short-term plays. It's the bigger picture. It's the bigger play, the bigger picture that you have to think about as well. Okay. Thank you for your payment. Screw you. Hate paying bills. Thank you for your payment.
1 minute prayer for financial assistance. If you need...
Take these nuts. Ooh, we are flying here. We are flying here. Let's see, are we gonna reject or are we gonna fly? It's 9:30, that's why. It's 9:30. I thought it was already 9:30 from before. What the hell? Are we gonna reject or are we gonna fly? The way this thing is pumping, it's looking like it's gonna break. Are we gonna reject or are we going to fly? Wow, what a pullback. That's a deep ass pullback. US30 is on one today. Came all the way back up to those highs. They didn't even respect the last high. And now look how hard it's coming down now. US30. This is what you should have did for CPI. You mean to tell me market open was stronger than CPI? That's wild. Sells are making me nervous now, guys. I ain't gonna lie. Because it literally just, this candle broke this high on the 15 and the 30 closed. Even though it's rejecting here. Let's see. This is a deep, deep test that it made. It should not have gone up that high. How many times did we tap this zone? Where's the rest of my chart? Oh, what's going on here? Hello? What happened to my chart? Okay, here we go. What? Okay. Trading View, what you doing today? What are you doing today, Trading View? What? US30 is moving today. It's moving today. Alright, that song is depressing. If we broke this high, I was going to close my positions. But we held. Come on, you better keep coming down and stop playing with my emotions today. Come on. Oh, I think it went that deep because of market open. That's why I did that. But we did not break this low here. We tapped into this demand here. And we're holding. Are we creating a newfound level of support? We better not be. Because that means we're going to go up higher. That means we're going to break this high. I don't know, guys. The sells are struggling right now. Sells are struggling right now. I'm going to try to be patient here. Give it some time. Let me look at the 1 hour. Long rejection, 4 hour. Why is there a lag on TradingView today? See, and that's another thing, that we have no support either. Unless this 4 hour candle closes as a support, we don't have any support. If this thing breaks its own low, it's probably going to continue down, but I think we just gotta wait it out today. I think we gotta wait it out. Oh my God, TradingView is lagging a lot today. What is going on here? What's with the lagging? Enough already. All right, I like we have rejections to the upside. I like that. This is We're 30 minutes into this 1 hour candle. We've already pushed up. We're rejecting. Please come down and break your own low. Please reject and break your own low. After that, we should continue down after that. I don't know why you keep playing fancy pants up here. Get yourself down. Going to wrap up the YouTube live shortly here and just kick it in the lounge with the private group. The 4 hour candle created a strong support. Not necessarily, because it's not confirmed because the candle isn't closed yet. Right now, yeah, it's a support, but this candle isn't closed. Until this 4 hour candle closes, we don't know if that's a valid support yet. That's why I'm hoping it doesn't. I'm hoping it does not close anywhere up here and it flips and it breaks the low, because if it breaks that low, there's no support. It's no support. That means there's nothing to sustain price to continue bullish, which means price will most likely need to come tumbling down. So what I don't want to see is this candle linger in this area for the next 3.5 hours, because if it does that, well, then now we have a valid support. So I don't want to see that at all. I don't want to see that. It's trying to come down. It's trying to push down. Something is forcing it back up every time. So today is just a patience game today. It's all patience today. That's all. I think you should do this more regularly. How am I supposed to do it more regularly? I trade every day in front of you guys. Am I supposed to? You want me to trade Saturday and Sunday too? Am I supposed to trade Saturday, Sunday, Asian, Tokyo, London with you guys? What do you mean do this more regularly? Do what more regularly? Trade live every day? Come on, guys. Trade Monday through Friday. You should do this more regularly. What you mean? Come on, gold. Jeez. You know what? I would be. Listen. Listen. Gold is not it today. Gold is not it today. With that foolishness gold just pulled with CPI, gold is definitely not it. If CPI couldn't move it, it's not moving today. Straight up. If CPI could not move it, it's not moving today. It's not moving today. Why y'all ain't telling me my camera was off? If CPI could not move gold, it's not moving. Guaranteed. Gold is going to sit right here all day. It's going to do this. It's going to do that all day. Watch. Alright guys, that's it for the YouTube. Today was a vibe, today was fun. I will see you guys mañana. Same time, same place, same attitude. bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Y'all be good, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. As always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX. See y'all later. Ciao.